If you're interested in making money online, this video is for you. Hi and welcome. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift. This week I'm giving away an email list profits funnel, and it's a reseller package. The product might help you personally if you're trying to build a list or thinking about building a list, and it also comes with resale rights, which allows you to use it as a giveaway, as a bonus, as an incentive. You can also resell it and keep the profits. So let's get right to it. So I've taken us to the download page. This is my weekly giveaway, and it's for 6/28, which is today. And my giveaway is email list profits funnels. And what it does is it mainly focuses on monetizing your list. So if you have a list or if you're thinking about a list, usually the biggest mistake that most new list builders make is that they don't monetize, or they monetize wrong, and this will help you with that. It is a free download. That's the one thing I wanted you to see. There's no strings, there's no email. It's free, just free for the taking, and it includes the ebook and the e-cover, because it does come with resale rights and also images. And again, this allows you to resell it, to give it away, to use it as an incentive, to use it as a bonus, and you'll find some solid help and suggestions for making money with your list. It's a detailed step-by-step process, and it includes links and so forth. So it's really helpful if you want to use it for your own personal benefit. That I will include a link below to the download page, and also you'll find Don't Go Daddy, which I think you'll enjoy. That's a funny story about Don't Go Daddy. If this is the kind of information or the kind of help that is of benefit to you, that's something that you're looking for, why not consider subscribing and ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. That's my pick of the week, email list profits funnels. And I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.